Urhobo Wadoo. Kyobo waniere yo mere yo motero wa. Oyono Urhobo Urhobo Christy Igho happy Igho mukoro. None na migo no tankpare eta likwive ina vuọvo Urhobo mawota face ata. Itala ata you de goma kokoko. Oye migo no tankpana. Two people that came from same place or same area meeting outside their vicinity. The conversations between them. That's what I want to talk about today. Meeting a fellow Urhobo for the first time in a strange land. There is bound to be a conversation in dialect, and one among the two or more persons could be deficient of her indigenous language, and that could cause some inferiority complex. For the purpose of learning, I am transcribing the conversation act below between two persons, which could help as a guide in enhancing further understanding of others. How far na? Mavọ odjeri. Ideo Mẹrọ Odje. What's the name? Dewe. My name is Ejiro. Ejiro. What about you? Vuọvo. My name is Akpos. Akpos. I am Akpos, but most people know me as Junior Sha. Mere Akpos. Yeke vuọvo. Ihwo buebu rhiẹvwẹ Junior. So where you come from? Itivọ nurhe. I be agbara man. Mere ohore agbara. Yeah, mere ohore kwotore agbara. Where that one come dey? Tivọ koye oyenaiva. Na ugele north. Obe kwoto ugele north. Oh, that's true. I'm from Olomo, from Ugele South. In Yota, mere ohore Olomo. Wevure ekwotore berire Ugele South. I greet you, bros. Miyerwe onyovuroshari. Now me greet you fast. Omere oyime yeruwe. So what brought you here? Kidiemuwerie etine. Bros na woko. Onyovuroshari ihwo. I dey work with one global ultimate bank. Mewia wevure asarada werobote Igho ovure se global ultimate. But my family is in Delta. Eke vuọvo ekrume evuri Delta. Nice one, bro. Oshewiyo onyovu Mẹrọ. I am fully based here with my family anyway. I am managing a wood factory around here. Ve ekrume obone oye awaredia. Mewia wevure asa radashe or yere asa radawe ire. I am really happy to see one of my own person today. Umanabo mewomre ohwo nunena. Well done. Oruru. It's my pleasure, sir. Thanks a lot. Wekobiro mamo. Let me call you later so we can sit somewhere and talk proper. Jimmy say wobo. Rere ese wokidie asalvo datuta. No wahala, bros. Osheho. No wahala. Osho ero onyovu. Ukerime. Odiodi erere odiodi. My phone number 080. Okay, later then. Oyoma kesiefa. Nothing do you. Bye for now. I go save the number right away. Imovoruwe kesiefa. Mikewie ukerirota na hwiye ukokogorota me. Rere asawotota obo. Wadoo. Eti na midi koyenu nena. Ebiko before wa te wa okpa ovi YouTube. Kembo waje okpa ovi Facebook. Waje okpa ovi Twitter. Memeje ovi TikTok. Odeme Christy Igho yere Lady Christy. What them bekabe wevuge so wa okpa biko. Rere Oyono Urhobo na kugbe. Rere ajesune Urhobo kugbe. Wadoo, UYONO wa Ejiro. Urhobo orere viesa o. Urhobo orere viesa. Urhobo kokore ogbare. Urhobo orere viesa. Oboru urhobo jere na asofa je otio ye. Edefa meri akpo toru urhobo miware. Urhobo orere viesa o. Arioma. Kesiefa o. Wadoo.